kun hu nong rai ka bakateng ka blue hakat witri uno pra kan wan ban rai hamadan pulu second ground kumta ka kun hu nong rai bertip kum ka blue kan wan Shillong kum kadak jong ka jingya lenti jong ka hakam rai ka jing dap arpsan snem kumta ka kun hu rai blue kan wan yuk jat ru hanong ba Shillong ban rai hamadan pulu second ground ka ban long hakat witri uno pra hak ba ki bor penya ki kimi lenti ru ki bai ba na kaleng ki jaka ba ki jela ban wan ban saki la ki jong hikmat hakan kenti ka ban long hapulu hakat witri uno pra.
I believe everyone is inside, and we are here to discuss the points about the English international sensation. Boy band sensation will be visiting Meghalaya in Shillong on the 11th of December. So we all know what Blue has been doing all these years, and we all have grown up listening to Blue. It's the 2000 sensation, and they are on a current world tour for their 25th year anniversary. And we are pretty amazed and honored to have them among us to be performing live and exclusive here in Shillong, in Meghalaya, which we know is the concert capital of the country currently. So they'll be traveling with all their 4 original members, and there are a few surprises for the act coming in. They are also releasing their new album during their tour this time. They have already performed in a number of venues all across the globe. We will be mesmerized to have them among us, and we can expect that all their 2000 hit songs will be sung, and everyone in capacity will be there with us on the second grounds in Polo on the 11th of December to have this mesmerizing experience of the 2000 sensation. The English boy band Blue will be traveling with Simon Webb, Duncan James, Anthony Costa and Lee Ryan. There is a group of people involved in this, and with everybody's support and the support of the people of Meghalaya, this is going to happen. Brought to you by Fukra Entertainment. We have them with us as well. Lakshay, we have Robert with us today. I myself am Sandeep. There is Jaja here with us, and Amit also. So we are open to any questions or any queries if you have regarding this event. The tickets for this are exclusively available at District, the app. There will be offline counters as well for the people to purchase these tickets, which is coming up very soon, probably by tonight itself. By the 5th. By the 5th. Yeah, it will be handled by District only. It will be available in different counters all across the city. And also there will be box offices on the ground so that nobody faces any hassles while getting this ticket. We are expecting a large number of people to attend this event. We have a capacity of 8,000 people. And we look at the best of the turnout, and let's hope that we have a mesmerizing evening with Blue on the 11th of December. We are open for any questions you have. In Shillong, we all know that Shillong has always been the most liveliest of places to host such kinds of international concerts. And we are, like we said, we have an 8,000 capacity, and we're looking at a full packed ground on that day. So we already have around a quarter of the ground.
So, already.
So we are expecting that will be a sold out show again on the 11th of December as well. So hoping for the best. Let everybody know that the tickets are available at District, available at counters, available on the ground, and let more and more people come and enjoy this festive time.
And this closing this year also have a beer lounge which is for 7,000 rupees currently, where you get 100 beer, and the VIP tables at VIP lounge.
So there are five categories.
Yeah.
Starting from 1499, goes up to 3,500. So we are also trying to make it a bit economical, keeping in mind that it's a festive season, so that it's not so heavy for the pocket, on the pockets of the